Today we are going to discuss the very basic terms of the chapter Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. So let's start. First of all, we need to know what is the meaning of geometry. The word geometry comes from two Greek words that are geo and metrin. Geo means earth and metrin means to measure. So in ancient civilization, geometry appears to have originated from the need of measuring land. Land को measure करने के लिए it was supposed that geometry is needed. In this chapter, we shall discuss Euclid's approach to geometry. Mathematician Euclid का क्या approach था geometry को लेके, that we will discuss in this chapter and shall try to link it with present day geometry. और present day geometry से हम Euclid's approach to geometry को link करने की कोशिश करेंगे. So let's begin. In this chapter, we'll discuss Euclid's definition, Euclid's axioms, and Euclid's postulates. In this part, we will discuss about Euclid's definitions first. Euclid assumed certain properties which were not to be proved. Euclid ने कुछ properties को assume किया जिन्हें prove करने की जरूरत नहीं थी, मतलब वे already general थी बहुत. These assumptions are actually obvious universal truth. इन्हें prove करने की जरूरत क्यों नहीं थी? Because they are very obvious. ये universal truth थे अपने आप में. Obvious universal truths can be divided into two types. What are these? First is postulates and the other one is axioms. So we'll discuss the meaning of postulates and axioms in this part. Postulates. He used the term postulates for the assumptions that were specific to geometry. Postulate term का use किस लिए होता है? ऐसी assumptions that were specific to geometry, जो सिर्फ geometry से concerned है, उसके लिए हम postulates का use करते हैं उन assumptions के लिए. And axioms, these were the assumptions used throughout mathematics and not specifically linked to geometry. ये axioms and postulate both are assumptions, but axioms पूरी mathematics से concern करती है and not specifically to geometry. ये सिर्फ geometry के लिए नहीं है, बल्कि throughout mathematics के लिए है, and postulate is concerned specifically to geometry. So this is the main difference between the two. So we'll discuss in next part the very important 7 axioms which are given by Euclid, and after that the 5 postulates which were also given by Euclid. So don't forget to watch that video because it is very important to know about these axioms and postulates in detail.